Stop by. We have some show-only exclusive deals going on through Sunday. All right, let's take you up here. It's very busy. Everyone's checking out the pontoons, and I can't hardly blame them. Let's hop up here. And I'm just going to show you around. All right. All right. Let's take you around here. Let's show you. There we go.
We're in the thought process.
All right, this is our 22 stern radius. I'll take you up here and show you around. We've got amazing seating. This is a perfect boat for entertaining, for cruising, hang out with your family. There's lots of storage. Everything's easy one-handed lift for the storage. You got the tow bar, taking the kids out on the tube. You got some shade from your little bimini top there. It's pretty awesome. Let's take you down the line here. All right. We've got the 22S swingback. We have another 23 SSB. This is the 22M fastback. They all have a different layout. Still some amazing features. Take you up to the dash here. There we go. And it's very, very comfortable. Love the lighting on this one. There we go. All right, let's take you down the line. This is the 22M swingback, 22M stern lounge. And this is the 23M open fastback. It's got some in-floor storage. There we go. It's going to take you around here. I can't get over how much seating these pontoons have. Okay. This is the 22S stern radius. Let's take you this way. And then we have one with the arch. Here, let me show you. And this one is the 25Q swingback arch. This lounge area is amazing. If you have kids or just a bunch of friends, it's perfect space to sun while you're out on the water. Okay, we are coming to you live from day 2